Are you excited about the upcoming iOS 17 operating system? Well, reduce the excitement until you finish watching this video. Then you can decide if the iOS 17 features are worth all the hype. Don't get me wrong. Some features like the CarPlay update may intrigue you, but other features are not as intriguing.
Interesting.
Let's delve right in. Next generation CarPlay. In 2022, Apple gave out some information about their plans to release CarPlay options that integrate better with vehicles. Apple's plan is to ensure that volume, radio, and other related functions will be controlled using CarPlay to serve you more conveniently.
I love that!
This proposal was officially communicated at the 2022 Worldwide Developers Conference, where a detailed preview of the plan was showcased. In addition, the company has said that they will support multiple displays and add widgets as well. Well, these proposed features will not take ages to materialize. McRumors have given a timeline for the first vehicles that will feature this new generation CarPlay. So keep your fingers crossed and be expectant. The iOS 17 will be released soon. We have some information on the specific date of the release of the operating system coming up shortly, so stick with us. A step into the Metaverse. As it is often said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Apple is set to make its first step into the Metaverse with the introduction of the iOS 17, which will support the Metaverse. This move will be made possible with Apple's new headset, which is expected to arrive by spring of this year, and then an official system launch will happen later.
May we all live to see it.
This is a small step, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. Expect Apple to create more system updates that will support the Metaverse and make it more enjoyable and accessible to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Revamped Messages app. Get ready for a new and improved Messages apps in 2023. With the introduction of the iOS 17 operating system, expect new video clip interfaces, chat rooms, different home screen outlooks, and a lot more. In a tweet posted last year, tech leaker Majin Buu confirmed this rumor. For regular iOS users, a revamped Messages app may not be an incredible feature.
Really?
In fact, many Apple users were looking forward to a huge leap from iOS 16 to iOS 17. Unfortunately, this has been a major letdown. Release date. The month of September appears to be Apple's favorite month. Flagship Apple devices are released in mid-September, and their operating systems have not been an exception. Since the iOS 16 was released on September 12, 2022, we can safely project that the iOS 17 will not be any different. Expect an official release in mid-September 2023. Are you still excited about the iOS 17 operating system, or is it a letdown? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let me cheer you up. Apple's iPhone 15 models will be released this year with solid-state buttons, a better battery, and some unprecedented features that will leave you impressed. Check out our next video for a comprehensive review of the iPhone 15.